Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So sorry I've been gone for a little while. I did kind of have like a back injury and I was in bed for like a week straight, so I'm feeling a little better now, so I wanted to go ahead and film this video for you guys. But what I'm going to be doing today is unboxing one of the Jeffree Star premium mystery boxes. I also have a mini one on the way. I'm not sure why they didn't send it together, but I can't wait to get that one, to open this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one now, and then I will record the other one, and I'll probably add it into this one, so you'll see both unboxings in this video. But we're gonna go ahead and open this one. I've already cut the tape, so it'll be easier for me to open. I haven't looked in it at all or anything though, so I'm really excited. I tried not to look too much on Instagram to see what people got. I saw a couple different boxes, but hoping I get different products, but we'll see. Okay, so this is the premium box, like I said. I really wanted the deluxe box, which was 10 items for $70. It's such an awesome deal because you're basically paying $7 for each product. But that thing sold out so fast. Like, I had it in my cart at 1:01 p.m. and it was gone already. So I got one of the premiums and one of the mini boxes. But anyway, we'll go ahead and open this up, and first glance it looks like it is the same as the other box that I saw somebody else open. Ooh, no, it's different, kind of. Okay, let me just show you guys what I got. First, I see the Jeffree Star pop socket, which is really cool. I don't like that it's orange though, but I'll probably still use it. Actually, I have a phone case that this will match, so that'll be perfect. So that's the first thing that I see in my box. Okay, the next thing I see is, ooh, one of his liquid frost highlighters, and this is in the shade Ice Queen. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, see what it looks like. So it looks like I got the same kind of products as the other girl I saw on Instagram, but I got different shades, so that's cool. But this is really pretty. Definitely a color that I would wear. I actually want to swatch this stuff for you too, so you guys can see. But that's really cool. Okay, so you twist it, and then this pops up, and I think you push down on it to fill the dropper. And then, yes. So, ooh, that was a little much, but it's okay. This is really pretty. Hopefully I'm gonna find a use for this. That I just put way too much on, but that is a gorgeous color. I think I'll be able to get away with that. That would actually work really well under his Lavender Snow. I think that's what it is. Yeah, Lavender Snow pressed highlighter. So I'm really excited to give this a try. I don't have any of his liquid frost, so this was my first one. I love the bottle, it's so pretty, so I'm excited about that one. Okay, and then the last three products are all lip products. First, I have one of his lip ammunitions, and this is in the shade Jeffree's Girl. So it's like a pink. I don't have this color at all. I think I only have one of his lipsticks, and it's a shade that's way too light for me, but I absolutely love the bullet. And the one I have is from the Pink Chrome collection, I believe. Oh, that's actually a really pretty, like, Barbie pink color. It's got a little bit of condensation on it, but that's because it's really hot out, but it's a gorgeous color. Look at that. Super happy with that. Okay, and then the next one I got is one of his velour liquid lipsticks from his, like, white glittery collection, and this is in the shade Can't Relate, and I really wanted this shade, so I'm super excited about this. And I really wanted something in this packaging too. Hopefully you guys can tell it's all glittery and sparkly, but this is in the shade Can't Relate, like I said, and this is just like a nice nude color. Oh yes, this is perfect. Oh, I'm so happy with this box so far. Okay, and that's Can't Relate there. And then the last item is one of his velour liquid lipsticks, but it was in a mystery shade that was made just for this launch, and these were only going to be in the premium and the deluxe boxes. So it doesn't have a shade name, I don't believe, at least not on the box, but that's what the color looks like. So I think the packaging is going to be like the chartreuse colored. Yeah. Oh, that's a really pretty color. Yes, very happy with that. And again, it's just got a question mark on the bottom, but I really like the lime green color. And this is a really pretty shade as well, so I'm super happy with this box, you guys. And there is the question mark shade Can't Relate, and then Jeffree's Girl. This is the only mystery box that I've ever gotten from Jeffree Star. I missed out on the last 2 or 3 that he's done. I'm not sure how many he's actually done, but I'm super happy with this box. And I'm also happy that it seems like he put in the same kind of products, but not the same shades, so that's really cool. So again, this is what I got in my box, so you guys can see everything. Super excited about all of this. And again, I have a mini box coming, which comes with 3 items, so I really hope I don't get any repeats, but we shall see. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I had fun with it, and I can't wait to get the next box so I can open that on camera with you guys as well. Hey guys, so I just got my mini mystery box from Jeffree Star in the mail, so I wanted to go ahead and quickly show you guys what I got in this box. So go ahead and open it. Ooh, okay, we got another pop socket. I believe this comes, one of these comes in every one of the boxes. I'm glad I got a different color though, because in the last box I got orange, so I'm really glad that I got this neon color one. This one's really cool. And then it looks like I got 2 velour liquid lipsticks. This one is in Huntington Beach, and I'll try to open this with one hand. There you go. I don't know if I'll use this on my lips, but I know that his lip colors are eye safe, so I could probably use this as like a liquid liner, so that would be a really cool shade. But that is a really pretty color. So that's the first one, and then the next one I got is in the shade Human Nature. And I was really excited about this one because I love the packaging. I don't have anything from this collection, and this is a really pretty color as well. It's like a nice kind of dark nude color. Let me see if I can open it without making a mess. There we go. Yeah, it looks like just like a nice mauve-y nude color. Definitely right up my alley. So I'm really excited about these boxes. I think Jeffree did a much better job this time. Because I think in the past, I haven't gotten any of them in the past, but I've heard some complaints about, you know, there being the same products in every box. So from what I've seen, there's definitely been different products, so that's pretty exciting. And I'm definitely happy with what I received in both my boxes. Definitely great value. And I will definitely be purchasing more of these in the future if he has more. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here quick and show you what else I got in my boxes, and hopefully you guys enjoyed unboxing with me. And please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!